Hi, my name is Lori. 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 Hi, my name is Lori, and welcome back to another video. For my 8th grade INVESTIG8 project, I decided to tap into more of my Armenian roots and make tutorial videos on how to make some Armenian and Persian dishes. So these are all vegetarian, and I had a lot of fun making it. I got recipes from my mom, my grandma, and I will post these videos to YouTube so other people can see it and maybe try making a few of these recipes. My goal is for other people to try something new and outside of their comfort zone. And after I made all these foods, I decided to pay a tribute to all of the healthcare workers and people working on the front lines during this current COVID-19 situation. It's a very, very difficult time, and they're constantly working and helping our communities. So I decided to give them some of the homemade food that I put my heart into. And they were really, really happy to be receiving the meals that I gave them. And this has made a really big impact on my life, and I hope it made it on theirs. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to check out my YouTube channel as well.